Hi, this is Net Solution. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can format your string, how you can format a string and then set a color to a particular string. Okay, how you can set a color to a printer string for it to take a color. Okay, let's for instance here it says the color should be red and it was red. The color should be green, it was green. Okay, yellow. I'll show you guys how you can be able to code this. You don't need to write much, then just input some basic things and then it will change the color of the code. Okay, it will change the color of the printouts using Python programming language. Okay, now let us dive in. Let me show you guys how you can do this. Okay, back to our program. Alright, def I'm just setting a function for this. Let's say s is equals to input, then in input we say change this color to red. Okay, return s. Okay, here should be equals to s is equals to input, and then an input change this color to red, then return s. Okay, now we have to call the function. If I should call this function, let's see what will be the printout. Okay, you can see the printout. You can see the printout is on white. Okay, now I want to change this color of the printout to red. Okay, to do that, we come over here on the function. Then add backstroke. Okay, backstroke 033. Okay, that's the code. Then square brackets, then you add the color of the code of the number. Okay, each number has its code. Red is 31. Okay, you add 31m. Okay, that's just it, 31m. Okay, now run the program again. If I should run this program again, you can see here it says change this color to red. Okay, and it already appears as red. Okay, now if I should change this to 32 and then hit enter, you can see here it has changed to green. Okay, now let me show you guys more on how you can do it without using function. Let's use the print statement. Print this should be black. Okay, this should be red. I'll copy all this so I can be pasting them. Okay, now let's change the color. This is red, this is black, this is red. Let's do this one green, then set here yellow, and do this one blue. Let's set here to be magenta. Okay, white. Okay, now let us print and change the colors. Okay, once if I print this, as you can see it appears on white. Okay, all the code was written on white. Here's all the code. Here is it. Now I want to change the color of the appearance. Okay, now to do that, we come back here. We come back here and add the backstroke. Remember how I showed you backstroke 033 is the code. Then the bracket, the block one, you set the colors by their code. As for black, it starts from 30. Black is 30. Then you add M. Okay, then here the same thing, backstroke 033, this is the code. Then a block bracket, red is 31. Okay, you add M. Then come back here, the same thing, backstroke 033, the brackets, then this is 32. Let's run this so far to see how it worked. Okay, it says black, others are on red, while the first one is on black. Okay, okay, this should turn but didn't. This should be M. Okay, now I have set it to be M. If I should run this again, black, red, the rest are on green. Why this happened is because 32 is green. Okay, the first one is black, second one is red, the rest are on green. Why this happened is that 32 is green. Here the color code for this 32 is green, so it continues because it's green. Then every other code that was not set to a default color will be the color of the previous one. Okay, but to break that, you can come to the end and then add backstroke 033, then the bracket, the square bracket. Okay, the square bracket, then 0M. Okay, the 0M will return it back to the normal color it should be, that is white. If I run this, you can see the first one is on black, second one is on red, the third one green, then the rest are white because I have changed the color here. I have changed the color here to be white. Okay, that is why it didn't happen. But if I should remove this, and run the program, it will turn the remaining ones to the previous color. Okay, the first one is black, then because this second one was set to a default color, so it has to take the default color, which is red. Then this one is green. Okay, it takes the green. Then the rest one doesn't have a default color, so because they don't have a default color, it was not set to a default color, then they have to adopt from the most recent one. Okay, that's why they choose the color of the most recent one, which is this. Okay, this should be green and it was green, but this should be yellow. It wasn't yellow because the color has not been set. Okay, now to break that, you just add the code I added here, stroke 033, the bracket, then 0M. It will just change the colors. Okay, sorry. As you can see there, it worked. Okay, let us proceed. Then here you try the same thing, backstroke 033, square bracket 33. Okay, M. As for yellow is 33, then backstroke 033, square bracket 34, that is for blue. M. Remember to add the M. If you fail to add the M, the color will not change. Backstroke 033, square bracket 35, M. Okay, then here's backstroke 033, square bracket 36, M. Okay, then here backstroke 033 square brackets 37 m. I think I should add 2 more. Then I should change this color to let me change the code. Let's just test it with these ones. Let's just test the code with these ones. As you can see, I have written all of them. I just written a simple place in a simple form using just the print. Okay, now while coding you can then add this. If I click on run, see it here, the colors has changed. This should be black and it was black. This should be red, green, yellow. As you can see all of them. This is how you can reformat and change the color of your code while programming. Okay, this is how you can do that and change the color of your code while programming. I think I have 2 colors. Okay, 37, 37, 36, 36. Let me do this 38, and then here 39. What if I add 40? Okay, let's add 40 to see. You can see the 40, instead of it to change the text color, it changes the background color, the BG color. You can see the BG color is black. The others remain on white because the code does not exist. Okay, the code as for code 39 and 38 doesn't exist, so it doesn't have color. So I should do this 40, and then here 41, then here 42. Okay, now let's run it again. You can see from 40 it didn't change the text color, rather it changed the BG color, the background color. Okay, that is what it does. From 40 change the background color, from 30 change the text color. Okay, that is it. Then 21 underlines the program, underlines it. If I add 21 here, it will underline it, it will just underline it. That is how that one works. Okay, now to understand this more, let's just check back here. The 40, that is the 40, the 0 stands as black, just as the same thing with here. 30, the 30 is the black, while the 40 is also black. 0 stands as black, the same thing. Then 1, 41, the 1 stands as red, the same thing with here. The 1 here is red. The 2 here stands as white, the same thing with here. Not that one, this should not be white, this should be green. Why this should be red. Okay, why this should be black. Okay, it's the same thing, just that 3 is to change the text color, then you add the number but after 3. 3 is the text, then the number is the color. 3 is text, 0 is black, 3 is text, 1 is red, 3 is text, 2 is green, 3 is text, 3 is yellow, something like that. Okay, 3 means this means text. Okay, while this one here means the color number. Okay, the same thing with here. 4 means background, and then 0 means the color number. 4 means background, 0 color number, 1 color number is 4 background, 2 color number, the same thing. Okay, now if you run this, let's come back there. If I run this, if I should run this now, and then maybe I should reduce this a bit. Let's check. This is black, okay, is black, which is 30. This is black, which is 40. This is 30, this is 40. Okay, this is red, which is 31. This is red, which is 41. This is green, which is 32. This is green, which is 42. So just memorize the code and then use it to do more tasks on Python. Okay, if you find this video tutorial helpful, kindly give me a thumbs up, like this video, okay, to encourage me the more, and also subscribe to my channel for more wonderful video. I'll be creating another code, I'll be opening another video on how to mix these colors, okay, how to mix these colors and then set background colors on how it should be. Okay, thank you guys, and then follow me up for next video.